It's time to eat. I should break out the grill, right? Looks beautiful. Tell me what you think. Oh. Something's coming, isn't it? More rain is coming. I think I'll cook inside. Well then, I only beat the rain back by a couple minutes. I saw it sprinkling, so I got the cover on the bike. Yay! Even nasty looking skies can be beautiful. Gonna start out with some onions. Again, this is not gonna be a fancy meal. Very rarely would I do anything that I think comes close to fancy when I'm in the RV. I'm gonna let those cook a little bit. Don't want these to stick. I'm not stirring. Can you hear that rain? I bring the rain. But I brought some really hot days too. Alright, making more coffee. I drink a lot of coffee. I like coffee. But I put stevia in it instead of sugar. I use chemical crap instead of creamer. Okay, those have started a tiny little bit. I don't need to start too much. And now, hamburger. Get out of there, you. There's hamburger. Ooh. Break it down and stir it up. Alright, that's enough of that. It's gonna cook down. Alright. I'm breaking it down and cooking it slow to break it down. I'll heat it up. It's a lot of onion, and that's a good thing. Okay, turned it up a tiny bit. This induction cooktop I'm using, I got at the thrift store in Ontonagon a year or two ago. It's smaller than my other one, but it's not quite as adjustable. It's just low, medium, high, and steps thereof. Where the other one I have, you can set an exact temperature. But this is working. Alright, we're getting there. Coming along. Coming along. More to do. GoPro, stop recording. Okay. Now it's time to start draining some grease. Ooh, that's hot. We're getting it. Fancy meal, huh? And have sloppy Joe sauce I've had for a while. Turn it down. I had a couple hamburger buns left. And I think I can actually get 2 meals out of this. I'm down on vegetables and trying to use up my stuff, so I have a can of carrots that I'm gonna eat with this. Can't guarantee you they're gonna make it on the camera. Okay, I'm just gonna let that simmer for a few minutes while I prep the rest of the stuff. Alright, still letting that go a little bit. And to prove to you, there's a can of carrots. I'm gonna eat a can of sliced carrots with it. Alright. Alright. Sloppy Joe. Sloppy Joe. Just like the lunchroom lady used to make. Anybody Bueller? It's a Sandman. Top on it. We're gonna eat that. Congratulations. Welcome to the most boring meal ever in an RV. You need a carrot. Yep, those are carrots. Hold on. I'm gonna take a bite of the Sloppy Joe. And that's good. Now the continuation meal, I'll just add to this one. For now, have a great and wonderful day. Alright. Leftover Sloppy Joes is getting turned into another nachos. And I'm gonna add some chili to it, so chili nachos. And yes, there's gonna be cheese, so chili cheese nachos. So we'll put the chili in. This really is what happens towards the end of an RV trip. Using what you got. Put cheese in. This is Colby Jack again. The trick is always getting it on there, getting it in there. All right, 5 minutes. All right, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna do the next layer in a second. All right, gonna put some salsa on. I forgot some salsa. All right, more chips. Because you gotta do layers, or else you're just eating stuff off the top. Salsa, since the fork's already in it. Chili. Now I don't expect this to be as good as my last one with the chicken and the London broil, but Sloppy Joe hamburger meat with onions is not a bad option, is it? Good and different way to use it up. And cheese! Cheese, please! Alright, let's get the cover back up on this. There we go. Cook time, 5 minutes. And away it goes. I like to say away it goes. I say that. Vinny, stay up there. You're fine. Alright. Let's take that out. Ooh, they look pretty, don't they? Let's see how they taste. Here we go. They taste hot. Cheese. Some chili on there. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Alright. I will say these are better than the original meal, than the... I gotta admit, sometimes food gets me excited and I lose track of what I'm talking about. So, I say it twice. Alright. I will say these are better than the original meal, the Sloppy Joes. So, something quick and easy. Another great reason to have a New Wave Mini. And another reason to have a great and wonderful day.